Thinking about starting a diaper factory? You're in the right place. In this video, we will tell you how to start a diaper business. From small scale to large scale, we tell you exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in. Did you feel it? Suddenly, prices of everyday commodities have risen. Higher prices for everyday items like food and basic essentials, like diapers, have increased the cost of living for consumers. Why not turn that commodity price hike to your very own money-making machine in a small warehouse? You can start with your own small-scale diaper business, then turn it into a diaper factory once you get traction. Start small by selling to your friends, neighborhood, or everyone who has a baby, elder, or pet. Think about it. Who doesn't have one? Diapers are bulky commodities bought every week and used every day. It is essentially a business opportunity waiting to be sold, other than food business, which is already flocked. You don't even need to be a big-name brand to get started. You just need the right supplier, quality, and marketing strategy to win. We've helped several clients set up small-scale factories, and we're here to guide you through the process too. Step 1. Start simple. Warehouse first, factory later. If you're on a tight budget, start by reselling. Rent a small warehouse or storage space. Find a trusted diaper manufacturer or wholesaler to supply you. Choose one that allows low minimum order quantities, has consistent stock, offers private labeling or generic branding. You can rebrand or resell diapers under your own name. Sell in bundles to parents, hospitals, elder care centers, and pet stores. Once you build enough demand, you can move into manufacturing your own diapers. In both cases, think about where you will store your inventory. Keep it simple and practical. Option A. Produce and store yourself. If you plan to manufacture, set up a small warehouse or storage area for your raw materials, like padding, super absorbent polymer, and packaging and finished diapers. This could be a spare room, a garage, or a small rented space. For example, you can use a clean room at home or a tiny warehouse in town to stockpile materials and finished packs. You can also convert part of your house or a small shed into a storage and work area, saving on rent. Even in the US, many small businesses begin in a garage or a mini warehouse. Option B. Source diapers from suppliers. Not ready to manufacture? You can start by buying diapers wholesale and reselling under your own brand. This is faster to launch. You could import affordable diapers via platforms like Alibaba or find local bulk suppliers. For instance, you can import unbranded diapers from a Korean or Chinese factory, then repackage them with a local brand name. In India, you could contact manufacturers on IndiaMart to supply you with semi-finished or finished diapers at wholesale rates. In the US, you might find a larger manufacturer willing to produce white-label diapers for you. A good way to test the market without heavy investment. If you go this route, you still need a place to warehouse your stock before selling it. Be organized and legal. Whichever path you choose, set up your storage space for efficiency. Use shelves or pallets to keep boxes off the floor. Maintain a simple inventory list so you know how many diapers or materials you have. Also, look into local permits. You might need a basic business permit or clearance to store goods. In many places, a home-based business permit, for example, a barangay clearance in the Philippines, or Shop Act license in India, might be required. Next step. Decide which approach fits you best. Will you start by reselling existing diapers to build your brand, or dive into making your own from day one? Step 2. Understand the diaper types. There are many types of diapers: baby, adult, cloth, and disposable. You'll need to decide what to focus on based on your customers. Most small factories start with baby diapers. They're used daily and sell in bulk. Offer different sizes and absorbency levels. Parents love options tailored to their baby's stage and activity. But don't ignore adult diapers. With more seniors being cared for at home, this market is booming. You can sell directly to caregivers, elder care facilities, or even offer subscription packs. Once people trust your brand, referrals will come naturally. Step 3. Machines. You'll need to start your diaper factory. Making disposable diapers efficiently usually needs some machinery, but the scale can range from hand-operated tools to semi-automatic machines. As a small-scale entrepreneur, you have options to keep costs down while still producing quality diapers. 1. Manual versus semi-automatic. If your budget is very tight, you might start almost manually, using simple tools like scissors, heat sealers, or sewing machines for cloth diapers. This is doable for prototypes or very small batches, but it's slow and labor-intensive. Most entrepreneurs upgrade to at least a semi-automatic diaper machine as soon as possible. Semi-automatic machines still require a person to feed materials or do one part of the process, but they automate others, like cutting or applying adhesive. For example, a basic semi-automatic baby diaper machine in India might cost around 36 lakh rupees, about $45,000, and can produce a few thousand diapers a day. In other countries like the Philippines, people often import smaller Chinese machines via Alibaba. These can be cheaper than high-end Western machines, though you have to budget for shipping and taxes. Some have even sourced second-hand machines from Korea, known for reliable quality at a lower price than brand-new European gear. Meanwhile, a small US startup might look for a used machine domestically or from Canada to save on import hassle, or even consider leasing equipment to start. 2. Right-sizing your equipment. You don't need the giant machines that big factories use. Those can cost $250,000 or more. For a local market, a machine that makes 30-60 diapers per minute is usually plenty. Think about your expected demand. If you plan to sell 500 diapers a day, a machine that produces 50 pieces per minute can do that in a short shift. A smaller or older machine might produce only 5-10 diapers a minute. That's okay if you're starting very small, as long as you can meet local orders. Also, consider machine versatility. Some machines can adjust to make different sizes. If your target includes various sizes, ensure the machine can handle quick size changeovers. 3. Finding suppliers. Use online marketplaces and local contacts to find your machine. Alibaba has dozens of manufacturers listing diaper-making machines. Reach out and compare quotes, but also check reviews or ask for references. IndiaMart can connect you to Indian suppliers or importers who might offer installation and training services within India. For the Philippines, aside from Alibaba, you might contact regional distributors in Southeast Asia or even look for any used machines from large local companies upgrading their lines. 4. Prepare for setup. Once you choose a machine, plan where to put it. It will need a stable electricity supply. Check the voltage and phase requirements. In Philippines and India, often 220V single 3-phase US, usually 110V or 220V 3-phase for industrial machines. Next step. Research and reach out. Make a list of at least 3 machinery suppliers, Alibaba or local, and contact them for details. Step 4. Know the space and staff you'll need. You can start your diaper factory in a 100 SQM space. Make sure it's clean, ventilated, and meets local health codes. Here's your basic team: machine operators, quality inspector, 1 maintenance tech packers, 1 supervisor or production lead. Step 5. Sourcing raw materials. To make quality diapers, you'll need a steady supply of raw materials. Getting the right materials at a good price is vital for your business. Let's break down what you need and how to get them, with examples in different regions. Superabsorbent polymer, SAP, is a key material in disposable diapers. These tiny granules act like sponges, soaking up liquids and keeping the baby dry. 1. Absorbent core materials. The heart of a diaper is its absorbent pad. This is usually a mix of fluff pulp, soft fiber, and super absorbent polymer, SAP. Fluff pulp is a cotton-like wood pulp fiber that absorbs liquid quickly, and SAP are those crystal granules that can hold a lot of moisture. For a small business, getting fluff pulp might mean importing bales of pulp, often from suppliers in the USA or Canada, since they produce high-quality pulp. You can also check Alibaba. SAP can be bought in bags, 25 kg sacks, for example. In the Philippines, you might not find SAP made locally, but chemical suppliers or traders can import it for you. Sometimes large diaper manufacturers sell excess material to smaller ones. On Alibaba, many companies sell SAP suitable for diapers. In the US, you can purchase SAP from chemical suppliers or even online in smaller quantities to start. If you plan an eco-friendly angle, you might consider alternatives like bamboo fiber or cotton, but these can be pricier and might need different handling. 2. Top sheet and bottom sheet. These are the inner and outer layers of the diaper. The top sheet, the part that touches the baby's skin, is a soft, non-woven fabric, often made of polypropylene, that allows liquid to pass through quickly but feels dry. The back sheet is the waterproof layer, often polyethylene or a laminated film, that keeps leaks from escaping. In India, non-woven fabric manufacturers like in Gujarat and Maharashtra, there are textile companies producing PP spunbond fabric. You can find suppliers on IndiaMart or through local trade directories. In the US, there are manufacturers of non-woven fabrics like Berry Global, etc., but they may not deal in small volumes with new customers. It might be easier to purchase from a wholesaler or import. Luckily, for initial small batches, you might even find some diaper-making communities or forums where people sell surplus fabric. 3. Elastic bands and fasteners. To make diapers fit snugly, you'll need elastic materials for the leg cuffs and waist, plus fasteners, tape or Velcro-style tabs. Commonly, elastic threads or bands made of rubber or spandex are used. These can be sourced from garment accessory suppliers. Disposable baby diapers often use refastenable tape tabs or a Velcro-like hook and loop system. You can buy ready-made diaper closure stickers from suppliers. Often these come in large rolls. In the US, you might even find suppliers on Amazon or specialty stores for craft if doing a very small run, but for cost efficiency. Source in bulk from industrial suppliers. On Alibaba or IndiaMart, search diaper side tapes or hook loop diaper fasteners. 4. Adhesives, glue. During production, certain parts, like gluing elastic or sticking components, require hot melt adhesive. There are special hot melt glue formulations for diapers. You might need a small hot melt applicator machine or glue gun compatible with these if your machine doesn't include one. 5. Packaging materials. Don't forget bags or boxes to pack your diapers for sale. 6. Local availability tips. In the US, quality materials are accessible but at higher cost. However, shipping from Asia can be costly too, so always compare. It might help to join online forums or Facebook groups of diaper manufacturers or even cloth diaper, work-at-home mom groups. You can also contact Startup Machinery to help you find the right machines for your diaper business. Step 6. Setting up the production flow. Now that you have your machine or tools and raw materials, it's time to actually make the diapers. Let's walk through a simple diaper production process. Tailored for a small-scale setup, Part 1, form the absorbent pad, core. In your small setup, if you have a machine, it will handle this mixing and forming automatically. You'll feed fluff pulp, maybe in roll or sheet form, and the machine will add SAP to make a pad. 2. Next, the absorbent pad is placed between the two layers of fabric, the top sheet, inside layer, and bottom sheet, outer layer. If using a machine, the machine will unroll the top and bottom sheet material continuously, place the pad in between, and move it along. In a semi-automatic scenario, you might have to place the pads onto the bottom sheet one by one, then cover with the top sheet. The goal is to encase that absorbent core securely so it doesn't shift or leak out. 3. Adding elastic and features. Now you add the parts that make the diaper fit and function well. Elastic bands are added at the leg openings, and sometimes across the back or waist. In an automated process, elastic is fed from spools and glued, stretched in place on the moving diaper assembly. 4. Cutting and shaping. Diapers start out as a continuous flat assembly. If you're using a continuous process, they need to be cut into individual diapers and often shaped, like with a slight hourglass curve for the leg areas. Big machines have a rotary cutter that does this in a flash. For a small-scale operation, you might have a die cutter or even use large scissors if volume is tiny. Those scissors will be inconsistent and tiring. 5. Quality check and finishing. At the end of the line, you should have fully formed diapers. Now, check each batch for quality. No parts loose or coming off? Conduct a quick absorbency test on a random sample. Pour a bit of water to see if it absorbs and doesn't leak immediately. Once satisfied, fold the diapers and pack them. You might put, say, 10 or 20 diapers in a pack for sale. Use your plastic packaging, squeeze out excess air, and seal it. Some use a heat sealer for plastic bags. Label the packs if your packaging isn't pre-printed. Efficiency tips. As you get into a routine, you'll find ways to improve. Arrange your workspace so that materials flow in one direction. Raw materials start at one end, and finished products come out the other. Step 7. Ensuring quality and getting certified. Quality can make or break your diaper brand, especially when you're up against big names. Parents and caregivers need to trust that your diapers are safe, hygienic, and effective. Let's tackle both quality control. Quality control, QC for every batch. Here are some simple but important quality checks. Absorbency test, leakage and fit check, strength test, visual inspection, skin safety. Check. Maintaining consistency. Get your paperwork and testing in order. Check with local authorities or a mentor about any licenses or permits you need to legally make diapers in your area. For more information, you can read our full blog on how to start a diaper business in the description box. Step 8. Plan for waste and sustainability. Diaper factories create fabric scraps and rejects. Don't let them pile up. Set up a recycling or disposal system. Want to stand out in the market? Use eco-friendly materials like bamboo fiber, corn-based liners, or biodegradable pulp. These options attract eco-conscious buyers and can boost your brand value. Step 9. Budget, licenses, and business plan. Don't skip this part. You'll need create a simple business plan. Include, there are free templates online. Use one to save time and stay focused. Visit startupmachinery.com to get free templates for your business by contacting us. Step 10. Selling diapers. Locally, distribution and customers. You've done the hard part, setting up production and ensuring quality. Now it's time to get your diapers into the hands of those who need them. Selling locally is a great way to start small, build a reputation, and learn what customers want. Let's explore how to reach your buyers and grow your diaper business in the Philippines, India, or the US, or wherever you are. Identify your customers. Think about who will buy your diapers. Likely, it's parents of babies for infant diapers. But don't forget other segments. You could also target elder care facilities or caregivers if you venture into adult diapers. To start, focus on one segment. If it's baby diapers, your customers might be moms and dads in your community, local retail shops, daycares, and pediatric clinics. If it's adult diapers, then nursing homes, hospitals, or individuals with elderly family members are your audience. Knowing your customer helps you pitch your product the right way. For example, a new mom will care about softness and leak protection, while a nursing home will care about cost and reliability for bulk use. Direct to consumer. Selling directly can mean online or in person. Online, you have platforms like Facebook Marketplace or Shopee/Lazada in the Philippines, Flipkart Amazon India, or even WhatsApp groups in India, and Amazon Etsy if they're like cloth or special diapers, or a simple Shopify website in the US, government or nonprofits. Some governments or NGOs have programs for distributing necessities to low-income families. They often rely on donations, but they also sometimes purchase if the price is very good. Marketing your diapers. Build it and they will come. Doesn't quite work. You have to let people know about your diapers and why they should buy them. Here are some friendly marketing tips. Brand story. Emphasize that you are a local entrepreneur making diapers with care. Unique selling point, USP. Figure out what makes your diaper special in your market. Is it more affordable than big brands? Is it gentler? Maybe you use a bamboo top layer or fragrance-free for sensitive skin. Is it locally made, patriotic angle? Or maybe you offer custom packs like mix and match sizes. Pricing strategy. Since you're small scale, your costs might be higher per diaper than giants who mass produce. But you can still be smart. Maybe you can accept a slightly lower profit at first to attract buyers with a good price. And later, as you scale, you reduce costs. Check competitor prices. In the Philippines, if a pack of 20 diapers of brand X sells for PHP 200, that's PHP 10 each. If you can price yours at PHP 8 each and still break even, that could entice budget-conscious buyers. In India, if Pampers sells for e.g. Rs 15 a diaper, maybe you aim for Rs 12 to 13 with similar performance. In the US, big brands might be around $20 30 diaper. If you have a niche premium diaper, you might actually price higher, but then you compete on quality, like eco-friendly ones often sell for $40 plus each. Decide if you want to be the value option or the premium local quality. Just be sure your product delivers on that promise. And that's how you can start, scale, and grow your diaper business. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you'll get motivated enough to start your own diaper factory. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos on how to manufacture your own products and sell them for profit. Thanks for watching.